it is time for some music math. And I apologize in advance to parents because this activity is a little bit noisy, but it is a lot of fun, so you can try it at your own risk. Okay, so what you need, I'm using some cards from a deck of cards, but you can make your own cards. You can use a die if you want to. I find the cards are actually perfect. Whoa, actually perfect for this because they have the number of items on the card. So if your child can't identify numbers, you can still practice counting the hearts or the spades or the diamonds that are on the card. I also have a pot with a wooden spoon to make different types of sounds. I have a reusable water bottle. You can also use a plastic water bottle, but the sound that this makes is. And I have some kernels and a Tupperware container. You can also use rice, quinoa, lentils, anything that you have at home. But what we're going to do with this is we are going to make a shaker. I'm gonna put a few kernels inside the Tupperware container. And this is a great opportunity to practice opening and closing containers with your child. So now I'm gonna screw on the lid, make sure it's nice and tight, and we have a shaker. So I'm gonna close that up. And now the math part. So I'm going to spread out my 3 instruments. And now I'm going to make a song using math. How do you ask? What a good question. So you can decide to have a certain number of cards in here. Maybe your child is only working on numbers up to 5. Then you only have numbers up to 5 in this deck. Right now I have numbers up to 10. So I'm going to shuffle it up. And I'm going to pull a card. 2. 1, 2. And I'm going to set that in front of one instrument. I'm going to pull another card. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put that in front of my next instrument. I'm going to pick another one. 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put that in front of my last instrument. And now we follow the numbers to make our music. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my pot drum 2 times. Then I'm going to blow into my bottle 6 times. And then I'm going to use my shaker 3 times. Are you ready to see it? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. And then you can start again. And then when you're finished with that, you can pick different numbers. So I'm going to do 4, 7, and where's that number 1? There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You can adapt this activity by only having 1 instrument and then slowly adding more instruments. So what if I just start with the shaker? I'm going to pull a card. Can you shake this shaker 8 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you shake it 8 times fast? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you shake it 8 times slow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you hit it 5 times fast? Can you hit it 5 times slow? Can you hit it 5 times quietly? I'm sorry, parents. Can you hit it 5 times loud? So as you can see, there's lots that you can do with this activity. You're making homemade instruments. You're working with speed, with sound, with numbers, fine motor abilities. So just have fun and do what you can. And if you'd like to focus on some quiet instruments, I know the shaker is a little bit quieter, and definitely the bottle is quieter than the pots and pans. So I'll leave that up to you.